Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. In my fifth video, today I am explaining about switch case statement. C provides a switch statement to avoid the use of series of if. C has a built-in multi-way decision statement known as switch. The switch statement tests the value of a given variable against a list of case values, and when a match is found, a block of statement associated with that case is executed. When all test values becomes false, then the final default case block will be executed. Here is one example of switch case statement in which user have to enter day number and it display name of the day. For that, in program here I included two header files, and in main function I have declared day variable. Here printf function displays message enter day number. User will enter day number and scanf function stores this day number in day variable. After that, here switch case statement is used. It has day is a parameter or expression, and there are different cases like case 1, case 2 up to case 7. Here the value in day variable is matched with particular case, and that case will be executed. For example, if user enter day number 4, then it matches with case 4, and then case 4 get executed and it display message Thursday on output screen. If no value of day number matches with given cases, then it executes default case and display message invalid day number. In this way, switch case get works. For more understanding of switch case, friends, here I come up with one more example, that is user has to enter a choice between 1 to 5 and he will get result of mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers. For that, in program here I included three header files. Here is one more file used, process.h. It helps to execute exit function. After that, in main function I have declared four variables a, b, c and ch, and by using printf function I displayed messages like menu on screen, that is 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 for exit. Due to watching this menu on output screen, after execution of program, user will understand that which choice he has to enter. After that, user has to enter two numbers and he has to enter his choice for mathematical calculation. If user enter choice 1, then switch case match that value of ch variable with case number, and the code of case 1 get executed, that is the addition of two numbers, and printf function displays addition of that two numbers on output screen. In this way it works for further cases, that is For case 2, there is subtraction. For case 3, there is multiplication. For case 4, there is division. For case 5, he will exit from program, and if user entered choice rather than 1 to 5, it displays message invalid choice on output screen. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. In next video I will come up with how to use looping statements in program.